We found about 100 pounds of HME around the corner up here, and a mortar round. This lead Vic in front of me was pulling security at the intersection just ahead, right up there, and a mortar hit just feet from him. Went up there and checked on him and backed him out. But we're sitting here waiting on EOD and air support to come and try to shoot.
Possibly picked up my brake. Station truck in the vicinity of the intersection. We've identified the point of origin, approximately 300
Yeah, they got the point of origin, 300 meters due west.
And pulled out the trailer working on getting into it.
And they're getting close air support out. They're going to smoke him and hopefully kill him.